Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Let's jump right into this hair video. So for this hair, I'm just showing you how the hairline looks. I'm getting ready to go ahead and pluck the unit. I did go in and I did co-wash the unit as well. Before we jump in, they did send over some goodies. So I got this eyebrow razor to cut the lace, some eyelashes, hair care instructions, and wig cap, of course. So before I get to plucking, I am taking my hot comb just to straighten out the edges of the unit so I can see what I'm doing. My preferred method of plucking is to pull the hair forward and then just pluck until I'm satisfied. Then I'll part another layer and pluck. But since I'm still practicing plucking, I didn't really overdo it. I like to just wait till it's time to do my baby hair to see if I'm content with the hairline before I go ahead and, I don't want to over pluck the unit. So for the unit, I did add some of my foundation to it just to tint the lace. I did bleach the knots, but applying some foundation just give it a more even and more natural look. Then I'm just cleansing my forehead just to make sure no residue from the makeup got left on there. And then I'm taking my Eben spray. This is the black one. This, honestly, out of all three, this is the best one. I think I mentioned that in my last wig video, but this definitely has your wig staying on your head. And I did plan to keep this unit on for a few days, so I think I did maybe 2 or 3 layers, and between each layer I just go in with my blow dryer. As I'm doing this, y'all, I'm like, oh crap, I forgot to do my air tabs, so I have to go back and cut the air tabs off. So I'm just using my fingers to push the hair onto where the glue is, trying to make sure my placement is right where I want it to be. And I'm just tying it down for extra support, let it dry. I probably let it dry for about 5 minutes. I thought I was recording when I was cutting the lace, did not have that footage, but I did go in and cut the lace off. So now it's time to style the unit. I'm making sure that my center part is straight. Then I'm taking my wax stick to make the hair lay flat. Now I was trying to take the easy way out, y'all. I was really trying to, one thing about me, I love styling my units off my head, but for this video I did not. So I'm trying to take the short way out by just using the hot comb to press the hair down, but it was not laying as flat as I wanted it to. So I had to go in and just go part by part on the lace just to make sure it was laying flat. All right, so once I was satisfied with the hair, I am going in. I decided that I wanted to curl the unit. So I'm going in trying to add some layers to it. Now, do I know how to add layers, y'all? I was just cutting. I just took the little razor thingy and I was just cutting away. Most of the videos that I watched, they were saying that it doesn't have to be uniform. So I was just cutting just to have a little bit of layer in my head. So I'm taking this curling wand that I got from a company. I don't remember. I think it's Duval. I'll link it down below if I can find it. I received it a couple years ago. And I'm just curling my hair. I'm just adding some wave to it, honestly. So this is what it looked like after I took the elastic off. Now I'm just going in, cleaning it up with some alcohol. Trying to get ready to do some baby hair. All right, so for these baby hair, I'm just parting out sections in the front, and then I'm just trying to have that separation look. So like I said, sometimes I do go back in and pluck. So here I am. It's still a little thick for my liking. So I did go back and just pluck it a little bit, and I pluck and I'll look and I'll pluck until I'm a little satisfied. I'm taking this olive oil holding spray. I think it's the wig grip holding spray or something like that. And I'm just spraying it in that area just to have that separation look. And I'm using my elastic band to tie it down. Now it's time for the baby hair. I did go ahead and cut them down. I curl these baby hair, and then I just find it easier for me when I curl them for them to swoop the way that I wanted them to. So guys, this is the finished look of the hair. The curls kind of fell a little bit just because I did them last night. I only fixed the ones in the front just now. I'm in a rush, so I don't have time to like redo everything, but I kind of liked how it turned out. So thank you so much to Sofeel Hair for sponsoring today's video. All the specs to this hair will be in the description box down below, so go ahead and check it out, and I'll see y'all in my next video.